My dispatcher, she hates it when I call her. I'm eating chicken broth, 2 cans for $1. I got a bag for my fuel.
Alright, I know if you just getting started out driving a truck and want to know how everything hooks up, I'm going to show you that right here real quick. It's very simple, very simple. You got, this is your air lines. Okay, red is what they call emergency. Okay, red is your emergency line, blue is your service line. This green one, it could be any color. It could be green, black, blue, orange, neon, anything. It could be anything. That is your electrical cord for your brakes and lights on your trailer. Okay, emergency line always hooks up to the driver's side. Okay, driver's side always, that never changes. The color never changes. It's always going to be red. Blue is always going to be blue. That's always going to be your service line, and that's always going to go to the left hand side, to the passenger side. That never changes, ever. Never, ever, never. It don't matter if you hook up to a 1939 trailer. Okay, it's going to be the same deal. So age of the trailer makes no difference. If it's showroom, brand new floor, showroom floor, brand new, or if it's 100 years old trailer, this is always going to be always red on the right, red emergency on the right, blue service on the left, electrical cord goes in the middle. Okay, right there, that right there is your kingpin release lever. Okay, and you just simply pull out on it. You just simply pull it out, and that will release your kingpin. Okay, you always want to, after you hook up to a trailer, you always want to come back here and you will look right there and see if you see your kingpin showing. Okay, if you see your kingpin showing, that means that you have not hooked up right to it, and you want to make sure that your fifth wheel is flush with the trailer. Make sure you have plenty of grease. Make sure that your fifth wheel is always flush with the trailer. And of course, look for grease. Make sure it's got plenty of grease. This one does. This one's got plenty of grease, and that's a good thing. Okay, just some pointers for you. If it's not flush with the trailer, if your fifth wheel is not flush with the trailer, then you're probably going to lose your trailer. Okay, it's probably going to come unhooked on you at one point somewhere going down the road. If you don't lose it immediately, you could lose it on the highway, which has happened to me once, only once, and Jesus, the angels in heaven was there, because everything turned out okay. I lost the trailer, but I didn't do any damage. Everything had just landed just perfect, and you know, that was a scary moment, but angels in heaven was watching after us that day for sure. Alright, so there's some little pointers for you. Alright, friends, so today is Dorian Day. Alright, Dorian's coming through South Carolina, Charleston area. I'm in Sumter County, a couple counties west of Charleston County. and in Charleston, South Carolina. And so let me show you my load I got for today. Came down here and picked up this load right here. It is a load of what will be used in the warehouse somewhere for shelves, shelving, like in a grocery store, warehouse, Sam's. If you've been in the Sam's and seen them kind of shelving, that's what I've got here. Okay, Sam's, places like that, BJ's. Okay, that's my load for my Dorian load, I call it. That's what's going on today. It's raining a little bit, and power outages everywhere. This place they opened up just for me. I'll be their only truckload of the day. They've already closed the gate, so they will be not accepting any more trucks today. And I've got to get out of here because they want to go home and be with their families, quite naturally. So that's what we got on it for today. All right, friends. All right. So here we are. Today is September 14th. Today's my birthday, and today is 4 years without smoking cigarettes. So I'm so happy about that. Thank all of you for all the birthday wishes and all the congratulations, and thank you all very much. So what I wanted to do today, I thought, since today, I want to share with you one of my favorite desserts. Something you can make yourself. So what I do, I got me some sugar-free, somewhere between Johnson City and Kingsport, Tennessee. Old Bob Evans. Sitting there waiting my turn. Trying to get through this red light, and I'll jump up there on I-26. Did you see that? Now, he didn't have to do that, but he did it. But he did it. That's what happened. That's what happened. And then when you wind up customizing, get his ride all customized, then he's gonna be all mad and stuff. Well, daggone, now you should have, as big as that truck is, you should have seen me cutting you off. You didn't have to side swipe me. Well, you know what? It just don't work like that. Just because I got a big truck don't mean I can see everything all the time, everywhere. Dadgummit. Dad burn you. Okay, so we take our ground cinnamon, about 3 tablespoons. Take some honey. You want about 3 or 4 tablespoons of it. And then you're going to take some pudding, some chocolate pudding, or whatever kind of pudding you want. I like French vanilla. But you can use whatever you like. You can use vanilla. Well, I'm putting chocolate in it. This is pudding, not Jello, but pudding. Jello pudding, but the pudding, not the Jello. Yeah. All right. And then all we got to do is stir it all together. Okay? You stir it until it all blends in together. Okay? Your honey, your ground cinnamon, your pudding, and your Cool Whip. And you just mix it all together. Okay? And then it's ready to eat just like that. Now if you want to, it always seems to taste better after a day. So You can put it in your refrigerator and wait 24 hours if you want it to really taste good. It really tastes better after you mix it all up and wait 24 hours, but you don't have to. This is something that you can eat right away, or you can wait. Like I say, if you wait for 24 hours, it's going to taste so much better. Okay? So I wanted to share that with you, because I make it a lot. It's one of my favorite desserts. It goes great with crackers. Okay? So I hope you like that. Remember to subscribe. Hit the notification button for me. Comment, make a comment, let me know. Did you try it? Do you like it? Do you think you might like it? Yes or no, or whatever. Let me know something. Alright, y'all have a blessed day. God bless all of you, alright? And we'll see you real soon, okay? Hey, I appreciate all the birthday wishes. I do. Thank you. And it's my 4th year without a cigarette. Hey. I like that. I can say I can't wait till next year to celebrate 5 years without one. Oh yeah. Alright, friends. Alright. Check him out. It's called low boy. Driving that low boy. Early wee morning hours, late night, early morning hours. Let's discuss a little bit about wee morning, late hour driving. Now, what should we be doing right here? Well, we're traveling along, coming up on this tractor trailer right here, like that one right there, and every other one out here. And what we want to do while we're coming up on him, we want to watch his wheels, make sure that he's staying straight in the lane. He's not weaving as I'm coming up on him. See, I'm watching his wheels, I'm watching what he's doing. I want to make sure that he's alert, not weaving in the road, okay? That's important. That's how you do the late night driving thing, okay? Use our turn signals, give him plenty of warning that I'm coming back over on it, right? When I'm past it and I'm ready to get over. That's a big thing, though, is watching when you're driving, daytime too, but in the night, you know, as we all know, we tend to get a little sleepy in the night, so watch the vehicles that you're coming up on in the night. Make sure they're not weaving, falling asleep. It's not necessarily they're drunk. They could be a little bit sleepy, not paying no attention. Then you go to pass them and you wind up rubbing on each other a little bit, and then you've got a 911 going on, you know what I mean? So let's just little tips of the tricks of the trade there. I'll pass along to you. Keep you safe out here. Okay, 10-4. Alright, friends, now I want to show you something. A little trick that I've learned. Because if you're like me and drive flatbed, I don't know, I'm probably the only one in the world this ever happens to, but I strap my tarps down and then they want to walk on me when I strap them down to the floor with a flatbed. So here's a little trick that I've learned to hopefully that won't happen to me anymore. Let me show you here. What I did, you see, I got the strap across the top just like normal. What I did is I took another strap, put this strap under it to give the floor some traction. Alright, so in the future what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably use 2 of these on the bottom. That way it'll have some texture there. These tarps won't be sliding, won't give them a chance to slide, just like a rubber mat. Because that's what happens every time. I'll strap my tarp down and then it'll walk right right up under it, it'll just walk and almost lose your tarp if you're not careful. So this will give it some texture to keep it from sliding, just like if you put a rubber mat or a piece of carpet under it. So I wanted to share that with you. Hopefully that'll help you guys out a little bit. Somebody, somewhere, hopefully. This beautiful day we got right here. Look at this. Check this out. Beautiful view. I'm delivering a little bit of this James Hardy right here to Lowe's distribution today. Alright. So that's what's on the menu for today.
My dispatcher, she hates it when I call her. I'm eating chicken broth, 2 cans for $1. I got a bed